Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with my aunt,
Ava, I'm 11. Don't mind me.
and we are going to do some TikTok pranks. So if you guys ever seen thing where you crack your back. Okay.
There's a video, Mom. There's a video. Mommy, can you tell them?
Darn it, it didn't work.
It didn't work.
Dang it, that was good though.
Pasta actually kind of tastes good.
Mommy,
Wait, is it noodles?
Can you?
Yeah, it's noodles
Can
double.
you tell them to get out their selfie phone?
We're going to do it later. Yeah, we're going to do it later. Okay, get some more. Just get a whole handful. This is going to be good because I'm going to actually not spit it out. Hey, Auntie. Watch my aunt crack my back. Okay, ready?
Okay, ready?
Darn it. Nobody's falling for it. My pants keep falling down.
The girls tried to do it.
Really?
Yeah.
In front of who?
Mommy, can I just?
They tried to do it to Jordan.
Mom.
I called you. You didn't answer your phone either.
Ow.
I know. Switch
Well, I
phones are
tried
on.
calling you back.
You know you didn't. I must have been talking to your mom when you called me back.
called me too.
Cause look, it doesn't say you called me.
Bye, guys.